Now, let's look at the next question. What is an example of unsupervised machine learning? First, remember one key point: unsupervised learning works without labeled data. Model tries to find patterns on its own. Now let's evaluate each option. Option A: analyzing customer purchase patterns to identify natural groupings. This is a classic example of clustering, which is an unsupervised learning technique, so this option fits perfectly. Option Braining a system using labeled categories. That is supervised learning, not unsupervised, so this option is incorrect. Option C: Predicting subscription renewal based on past renewal status. This again uses labeled outcomes, so it is supervised learning. Option D: Forecasting sales using historical sales data. This is also a supervised regression problem, so the correct answer is option unsupervised. Machine learning focuses on discovering hidden patterns without labels.